Good morning, Virginia. This is Virginia This Morning.
This Partners in Healthcare segment is sponsored by MG Home Health Services.
Well, caregiving isn't easy work. When it's done well, it takes just about all you have to give. First-rate care and compassionate service is the focus for MG Home Health Services. Laura Anderson joins us this morning. This is not an easy thing to do, but yet it's something that more of this sandwich generation is facing with the care of parents and loved ones who may need extra assistance. Tell me a little bit about words of wisdom on balancing.
On balancing. That would be how to do it. Try and balance it. It's very difficult, like you say, with the sandwich generation right now. But that's what we're there to do, is to help out, to go in and help the families organize and help take some of the problems that they have with the care of a mother or, even a daughter, a sister, it goes on down the line, and help them coordinate the care and make things easier for them.
That's one of the things to keep in mind, and I'm glad you brought that up. A lot of times we think it's elder care that you're looking for, and it's not. You may find yourself in the situation when you least expect it and are maybe least prepared to face that, but there is help available.
Oh, absolutely. There's all kinds of help available. We have skilled nursing, physical therapists, occupational therapists, home health aides. We do private care, and we even have someone who will come in free of charge on a consulting basis if they're one of our patients, and help them decide if their Medicare plan is appropriate for them and give them suggestions as to which plan would be best for them.
How did MG Home Health Services begin? It's about 20 years old, isn't it?
No, it's not very old at all.
Oh,
no,
20 years of service. Maybe that's what it was.
There's a whole bunch of all of us combined. There's like 45 years of nursing experience. And Martha Gibbs, the owner, decided that the community which we're in Goochland County, needed these services there, the rural communities, and it was her idea, and she's just done a great job. I visited the website, and it is really informative, and that was one of the highlights, that this team works in the surrounding counties, in the vicinities that maybe wouldn't typically have access to a lot of resources. Right, and most of us live within the community, all within the rural community there. There's a few in Richmond, but we also cover Powhatan, along with Goochland, Richmond, Louisa County, so we still cover a large area, but concentrating mostly on the rural area. Your team is very compassionate, very passionate about what they do. What sparks that? I just think that comes naturally. You just can't make that up. It just comes naturally. Mine was caring for elderly parents, and it just goes on into my work. You learn going through that experience that you probably would have appreciated having someone like MG Home Health Services in the picture. It makes all the difference. And so your team will work with folks when they contact you to evaluate what kind of need? Absolutely. We go in and we talk with the patient and the family, and we decide what would work best for them. Then we make our suggestions, and we contact the physician, we contact the insurance companies. We take a lot of the problematic work out of it for the family. When you work with families, are they surprised that a resource like this is available? Yes, they're surprised that a lot of resources available. They're just not informed of everything that is available for them in the home. And you are MG Home Health Services as part of the Partners in Healthcare team. Correct. And talk about a wealth of resources. You visit the site and everyone is there. But MG Home Health Services really focuses on that care and making that available. Absolutely. That's what we're here for. Fantastic. Well, thanks, Laura. Appreciate it. You can learn more about Partners in Healthcare by visiting partnersva.com, and learn more about MG Home Health Services. You can visit the office at 33 Broad Street, Suite 1 and 2, or call 708-0146. And that website is fantastic, so check it out, mghomehealth.com.